How to send money from TD Bank to Zelle. Now, if you have got the TD Bank application from which you would like to move the money to your Zelle account, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, you want to open the TD Bank application, and then you want to simply go ahead and then log into your mobile banking by typing in your username, password, and tap the login button to sign in. After you do that, on the home page you'll find the option called Zelle, and just choose someone from your contacts or add a recipient's email address or a US mobile number. Then enter the amount that you want to send and an optional code as well. Then after that, you can simply review and hit the send option. Now, if you have the Zelle app, you can also simply use the Zelle's own QR code. So once you log into Zelle, you'll find the QR code which you can simply scan it from the TD Bank app and automatically load the money from your TD Bank app to Zelle. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.